Golden Pond Retirement Community, located in Golden, Colorado, offers a long list of amenities, all in a state-of-the-art community designed to provide residents with an enhanced quality of life. Resting on nearly 7 acres, Golden Pond offers independent, assisted, and memory care apartments that each provide incredible amenities with wonderful views nestled at the bottom of North Table Mountain. While our large resident rooms provide you with the personal space you deserve, there is much more to see. Each part of our community is full service, offering large common areas for sitting and visiting. Wellness is a top priority at Golden Pond, and proper nutrition is a crucial component. We serve all meals restaurant style, with specials and an a la carte menu. A dining room for meals with friends, including a full-service kitchen with always available beverages and snacks. Additionally, we offer a host of on-site amenities, including a modern bistro, fitness center, chapel, salon, and movie theater. Our community is surrounded by beautifully landscaped outdoor spaces with ample shade, ponds, and a walking path for all to enjoy. Our memory care provides an engaging environment with dedicated staff available 24 hours a day. We offer daily activities and personalized care plans for each resident, strengthening the quality of life during their stay. As you stroll along our outdoor walking paths, enjoy the views of the mountains and birds swimming in the ponds, allowing for a peaceful and relaxing experience. We take pride in what we do and strive to give you and your loved ones an exceptional experience every day from the moment you walk through our doors.